Hello everyone! I wanted to film a video to show you how I pre-plan my month of November with here my planner, which I use for daily and work purposes, and my little llama folder, which keep my kits that I'm going to use in the next few weeks. So I'm going to show you the inserts first. Let's move that out of the way for that. And so yeah, it's how it looks like when you open it, and let's just remove that. So you have first two acetates here for decoration, this one which I'm probably going to use every month, and this one that I change monthly to match the main kit that I'm using in my weeklies and the monthly. So more on that when I'll show you the kit. So I'm just gonna take that out and show you the actual inserts. So first thing is this printed cover that I chose this month as a title. You can have them in the shop like daily, weekly, monthly, shop owner related, online shopping related, and custom wording. And I just chose this one for now. And then the actual inserts that I'm using are also from my shop. They're undated and they come in this smooth paper. They also come in shimmer paper, and you can either print them in different colors or foil them in different foils. This one I made for myself is a little bit particular because I wanted to use very different kits from the very different shop, including my own, and they all have different foiling. So this is not an option on the shop because it's so time consuming, but I've actually foiled every week a different foil. So I'm gonna show you with the kit at the same time what I mean and what I'm gonna use. So first, when you open it, you have this month on 2 pages, and on the shop I make it available so that you have either a month or a note page or a dot grid page, depending on what you prefer. I like the monthly view, and this column is 1.5 inch or 3.8 centimeters wide, so you can use regular stickers, not monthly but weeklies, which I actually do. So I foiled it rose gold because the main kit and the main artwork I've chosen is rose gold as well, which I'm gonna come back in a minute when we are on the right week. And then the layout inside is a week on 4 pages. So you have first this week overview with all your days on the week of an horizontal layout, and then you have a vertical layout with your days of the week, a note area, Friday and weekend, and yeah, I've put stickers all over the place. I'll explain in a minute. And then you have what I call the sidebar page. So what are these called? Daily habits, sorry. 2 boxes and a dot grid area. For the first week of November, I've chosen to use Seaside Stickers Cozy Kit, which will be a Plan With Me collab video with her, so look out for that. I'm gonna go through the kit very quickly. I'll go more into detail in the Plan With Me video. But yeah, so I have this kit, which is foiled in silver. So the first week is foiled as well in silver. And I have the kit here, which is the full kit. And I've also pulled out some things that I want to use with. So overlays for the headers, the monthly that I'm going to use here. Alita was very nice and sent me the colors coding so I could make myself some few scripts. Stickers, which I'm going to use with the kit, and some date covers. So this is the kit that I'm going to use, and I was thinking for the double box here, not using like checklist or anything like that, but actually make it a double deco box. So I'm probably going to use washi as well with that, but that's what I intend to do. And I will also use this area as a sidebar. So we'll see how this is going to work out. So this is the first week, and on the end of the week there will be the Very Merry Harry sale from the Harry Potter and the Order of the Planners Facebook group, so look out for that as well. I'm gonna talk about it a bit more on social media, so yeah, there will be more details about that. The second week of November I will be using Spells by Paper Candy Art, which is this Harry Potter inspired kit. I didn't really have a Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them sticker kit that I wanted to use, so I went for Harry Potter instead because I really like this color scheme, and I've foiled it in gold to match the gold glitters. And in this week there is Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, The Crimes of Grindelwald, coming out on Friday the 16th, which is also my niece's birthday. So as you can see, I have my priorities straight on my planner, but I never forget my niece's birthday, so I don't need to mark that down. So for the kit as well, I will go into details in a Plan With Me video if I make one, but you have all those pages. And for the add-ons from my shop, I decided to go with some scripts as well that I made for myself with words that I use nearly every week. The date covers, the month, the overlays, which are obviously an oops that I kept for myself, and maybe those glitter vinyl headers, and probably as well those green shimmery vinyl headers, which I was really sad because I wanted to use a blue as I am a Ravenclaw, but the blue I have is much clearer than this book here, and I thought the green matched pretty well, and I'm often a secondary house Slytherin, so I don't mind that. So this is my choice for the second week of November. And same, I will probably be using the big double box for here. Then on the third week, I've decided to foil it rose gold, like the monthly view at the beginning, because I will be using one of my kits, which is Chill, which I decided to foil rose gold. In my shop, you can choose the foil you're gonna use on your kits. The design will stay the same, so you have all those frames, leaves and snowflakes that will always be like that. But if you wanted to foil it silver or gold or holographic, that's up to you. And so yeah, this is the kit that I'm gonna use in this week, and I'm gonna use the leftovers to plan the month. And so you have very quickly the kit, which is the deluxe version with deco double box that I'm gonna use in the sidebar page. And then you have washi. I have two of them because those are in oops, so I might use those somewhere. And then date covers, functional headers, checklists, same. I have an oops here for the half boxes and the full boxes, and I've made some add-ons. Probably gonna use those rose gold glitter headers and those scripts again, and the month and the date covers. So that would be the third week of November. And last but not least, this is a brand new kit to my shop, which is called Frost, and I decided to foil it silver and use those silver glitter headers with it. So you have the full boxes here, Again, the foiling won't change as for the design, but if you wanted to foil it gold, you could. So full boxes, half boxes, lists, checklists, boxes, icons, scripts and dates, washi and day covers, glitter page, double boxes page, deco, and more of those scripts. And the reason why I don't have the month and date covers is because they are with the Seaside Stickers kit for now, but they will go with this kit as well. So yeah, that is basically how I plan my month of November, and hopefully I will have time and courage to film a plan with me for each week, because well, I know how to work around my kits, but I think it's very interesting to play around with kits from other shops, and I'm very excited to use the Seaside Stickers cozy kit, because November is definitely going to be chilly. It's starting to get cold here, so this is a very good transition into the colder month. And well, obviously, being a Potterhead, I just can't wait to use that. I've been hoarding it since beginning of summer, I think, so very excited to try that. And this kit as well. So those two kits are from my shops, and yeah, very excited to use them with the foil and all. So that's about it. I'm rambling now, so I'm gonna stop the video now. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you very soon for the collab. Bye!